foster mother once said this teenager could not tell right from wrong. Now that teen is on trial accused of killing a 5-year-old boy. Good evening, I'm Brandy Peterson.
I'm Rob McCartney. Cody Metzger-Madsen fidgets in a Logan, Iowa courtroom hearing it was the first day of testimony in his trial for first-degree murder. He's accused of beating to death his foster brother last August, 5-year-old Dominic Elkins. The two had been left to play alone outside. Rescuers found Dominic at the bottom of a ravine. Big Story coverage is live at 6 with KATV News Watch 7's Alexander Stone.
Cody Metzger-Madsen's attorney argues the teen didn't recognize limitations and certainly didn't plan to kill. The case will now determine if the teen's developmental and behavioral issues trump a charge of first-degree murder.
Harrison County 911.
Hello?
Hello?
My brother was attacking his brother, and we can't find my brother.
This 911 call brings back memories of the emotional night, August 31st, 2013.
He's bleeding on his head.
Okay,
We can't find him.
Prosecutor Denise Timmons played the frantic 911 call, a call made by her first witness. The 8th grader was one of Metzger-Madsen and Elkins' foster sisters. The court asked that we protect her identity.
When you came upon Dominic, what did you see?
Dominic was lying down and really wet. And when I got a closer look, he was like really bloody and wasn't moving.
I'm sorry, you said he was really bloody and
he wasn't moving. He didn't look good.
During testimony, Metzger-Madsen drew, laid down on the desk and fidgeted. The prosecution then called the foster mom who was caring for Metzger-Madsen and Elkins at the time of the alleged murder. We weren't allowed to show Julie Kuhlman's testimony, but we listened as she told the court she left home that night to get ice cream with 2 of the other kids in her care. Kuhlman rushed back after getting a worried call from her daughter. The foster mom says Metzger-Madsen was acting excited.
what do you mean by excited?
Just excited, upset that we couldn't find Dominic. He didn't know where Dominic went.
Harrison County Sheriff's Deputy Brad Seek was first on the scene and described Metzger-Madsen's behavior as hysterical.
Yelling. It was hard to make out. I did hear something. He did state something about bricks.
Bricks are a pivotal piece in this case. Prosecutors allege they were used to kill Dominic Elkins. Metzger-Madsen's lawyer is laying the groundwork to prove his client doesn't know right from wrong. The defense asked questions about Metzger-Madsen's mental state while living with that family and during interviews with police. The foster parents say the boy often daydreamed and had a temper.
Alexander, there was some insight today, wasn't there, into how mature Metzger-Madsen is?
That's right. The foster father describes Metzger-Madsen's maturity as closer to that of a 5-year-old than a teen. And sheriff's deputies recalled the boy talking about video games and smashing cyber bugs when they took him away from the scene that night.
All right, Alexander Stone live with the Big Story at 6. Thanks.